everyone. But I don't because it's
Welcome back to the channel.
that set it all off. Run away. Hey, can we not solve this over?
I like my.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! This over a song. Pretty good resolution.
Hey, could you hold that for me? Oh.
I just joined the
Here.
lobby and I heard a bunch of gunshots that's happening up here. That was
My guitar.
Why did that knock?
I wanted to know if he heard my guitar. Besides the gunshots, did you also hear my guitar? Yeah. He has a grenade. He has a fucking grenade.
Tell your teammates to stop killing me.
We have Mozart up here.
Kill him, kill him, kill him.
Yeah, kill the RPG guy.
Chase the
Very
grenade.
quiet there. I went very quiet there. He's resisting.
He's resisting so.
Hey, you guys, I suggest you run away. I suggest you run away. I told you guys to run away.
I didn't hear it because of the gunfire. Okay. Yeah, that's chill, whatever. I'm the most harmless person you'll ever meet. I have a guitar in my hand. I have a full weapon.
If you guys stop shooting me, I'll stop shooting y'all.
Okay, don't just shoot him.
I had a live grenade on me.
I have a guitar in my hand.
Hey,
I
what?
can't shoot him.
Can somebody get me?
Hey guys, that wall stop taking. No. Yeah, revive. Stop shooting me, I'll stop shooting y'all. Alright, we're all.
Stop shooting me. Hey, man. You know what happened?
I just want to play my guitar, man. Some bullshit.
Stop shooting me, I'll stop shooting y'all.
Let him
The
play
guy
his
just wants to
guitar,
play
man.
his guitar. Let the man play his guitar.
I'm still alive.
He resisted.
Please help me, dear God.
Damn. Okay. He died.
Just let the man play the guitar. Stop blowing me up. Imbecile. Hey.
I gotta revive. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, what?
Guys, you like my scar? Guys, you like my scar?
I'm hostage.
No,
Look, I'm dropping all my
you're
weapons.
not
Drop
Can
the
we
gun.
stop? How about we get? I have a
This man is going to get kicked.
I have a guitar in my
Punish.
hand. Okay, I'm not letting him live. Boy, so revive me.
Boom.
Yeah.
Never mind.
It's a drone! Oh my god. Do it again.
Calm down.
Bring it down. Bring it down here.
Okay. One guy that's always.
I just want to be on the roof with this
Nobody
guy.
shot at you.
Where is he? I
Put it
am.
in For a moment. Can you revive me, please?
Yeah.
Revive
Bring
me.
the drone down. Yeah.
Right here, tell you guys to stop.
Come on, man.
Okay, kick Jacob.
Punish.
Jacob, kick him.
Report
kick,
player for team killing.
kick
I
Jacob.
know I sound like. Okay, bring the drone down quickly.
Here.
Faster, faster. Okay, there. Go, go.
Hey, let me talk. Let me talk.
No, I'll show you. So look, you'll get a drone. You'll put
Right.
it like that. You shoot a bullet here, and then you put it on here, and then you go on the drone.
Wiggle.
Dude, everyone.
Oh, no, wait. Wait a second, let me do it again.
Dude, wait, was that a revolver?
Walk
Yeah,
on
bro, you
the
like it?
pistol bullet. Walk on the
Yeah, can I
bullet.
get that?
And then wiggle.
Yeah.
Where's the bullet?
I'll trade you.
It was right. Wait, I
Wait,
think
hold
you
on.
need to do
Yeah, maybe I need the revolver. So I shoot
Yeah,
it?
yeah, wait, take that.
Wait.
And take that.
Is he alive?
Oh, wait.
Oh, damn.
Like
I
it?
got it. No.
So do the drone down. Put the drone
Guess
down.
what?
Oh crap, you have to do it. You gotta do it.
That was just for cool.
Is that?
So do I shoot? Do I shoot the drone or do I shoot like right there?
How about we resolve
I'm making sure nobody can pick it up. I'm just gonna
I need a new revolver.
Guys, hold on. How about we gather in a circle and listen to me play the guitar?
He aimed
I
his gun.
just want to fly my drone.
Okay, wait. Let's resolve this peacefully. Nobody shot you. I'm gonna shot you. That guy.
Do you
That guy
see me?
shot
Hey, Russian roulette.
Yeah, I
Do
can
you
see
see
you.
what's pointing
Bro,
his
right
gun
here.
at you? I saved your damn life.
right here in the hand.
Calm down here. I'm a guitar. I can't do anything.
Oh,
I'm invisible right now.
yeah, me too.
No, you're not. I can see
No,
you.
you're not.
No.
Hey, guys,
Okay.
Don't worry,
Okay.
stop glitching. I know my stuff glitching too, bro. My stuff glitching too. I cannot use my tablet. I don't see my
Am I
phone
invisible?
over my hand.
Wait,
No,
hold on.
No.
Am I
you're
invisible?
not. No, you're not.
Guys, am I invisible to you?
I see you. I see you.
Ow. I can't.
Bro, like I said. Oh. Bruh, please. Please. Have mercy.
Can I not get shot at?
Man, I was putting your teammate out of misery and you decide to shoot me.
I'm invisible.
What, man? Why do I play this
Man,
game?
shut up.
Captain, because then I won't be able to put it back.
Run faster, me. I definitely didn't just shoot them all. Oh. Okay, you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. And right now I cannot see my tablet. Did I kill it? Hey, could you, hi. Hey! Man, I just had a simple question. Explain to me why I can't see anything on my tablet. Look. I can't see anything. It's like dead.
Sorry, he killed me first. Sweet revenge.
I wasn't aiming at you. Oh, now I don't like this kid. Man, I wasn't aiming at you. Well, now I am.
Wait. Damn.
Okay, now I'm even. Okay. Kill yourself.
Wow.
Why?
I don't. This is when you're back on.
Never just study your entire life away. You're just like,
He didn't even have time. I just obliterated him.
Why are we shooting them?
I don't know how I missed that. Oh, I never seen the bottom bit of that gun before.
Please, man, please, listen.
Let me tell you something.
You see, I got teammates too. Oh, hold on. Refresh that.
Guys.
And I got teammates too.
That was Flash.
Stop putting me on fire. Man, that hurts. Now we got that dude over here tweaking out. Stop it.
I was gonna heal him. I was gonna heal that guy.
Hey, I'm still alive. You can still do it. Wonderful. Oh, that's cool. The bone with that.
I'm not here.
Where'd it go? Man, this shotgun is like instantly reaction. Instant. Wait, hold on. Yes, I'm gonna one-hand a full auto shotgun like it's nothing. I'm definitely not gonna use my other
He's still
hand.
dead.
No, he's alive. He's dead. You mean we?
Alright, wait, we can talk about this. Okay?
Now can we?
Can we talk about this?
Depends. Throw your guns over here.
No, how do I know you're not just gonna kill me?
Well, then we
Because we
don't
would
have to
never
worry
do
about
that.
you killing us.
Okay, I'm coming, my hands are up.
Drop the gun.
I can go Allah Akbar.
I can't see anything.
You drop the gun. You drop the gun.
Hello?
Did you pull the pin on
I
that?
told him I would
Brody, I'm
go.
down with the
Yes.
game group
Yes.
chat. I think it'll be sick.
I told him I'll go Allah Akbar.
Well, maybe I'll do the same too. Man, I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna do this. Because this shotgun, it's like, it's the full auto shotgun, so it's gonna like fly back instantly.
Are you sure it's not a semi?
Yeah, I'm sure.
We go Allah Akbar if you
Whoa,
shoot us.
okay. No.
Needs to
He didn't know
form his
what to
words
say.
a little better.
He didn't know what to say. He's just like, does my tablet still work? No.
Another thought.
I
Hello?
go
okay.
Lakba.
Okay.
I go kaboom.
Y'all killed my
hate it.
friend.
No, he
That's my
walked
friend.
into my bullet.
I will go very big kaboom.
That's tough.
Man, that's dumb. Hold on. They want to play that way? I'll play that way. I go Lakba.
Brody, come get me. I'm on the second floor. Brody?
I go very big Lakba.
Oh, he
Chris.
blew me up.
I said so.
Whoa!
Allah Akbar.
I go very big Alakpa. Holy heck. Hi. Where are they? That way.
That way. But there is... I thought there was 3 of them for a second.
There
only
should
2
only
of
be 2 of them.
Yeah, there's only
I don't
2
know, I
of them.
still have a live grenade in my hand.
What?
I have a live grenade in my hand and I got C4 on me. So if I die, I suggest you run away.
Wrong answer. No, don't punish me.
Allah Akbar! Did I get him? No. Oh! That was close.
Yes.
I'm gonna go with Lakba. Where'd he go? That still does not work.
What the? Shot himself.
Nyeh.
Watch out. Don't shoot him. Don't shoot him. Don't shoot him.
I still got him.
I'll save you.
No, I killed your
Your
teammate.
friend has
Look.
break the promise.
I'll maul to you.
Have a hug? Hug? Have a hug?
Yeah, you could have explosive hug.
No,
Yeah?
No, thank you.
Oh.
Okay.
Huh. I'm surprised I still one-handed that.
Look how cool this gun
Over
is.
there!
Where's over there?
Over there! Where I'm pointing! Somewhere behind that. Oh my. Man, this is dumb. You're gonna be scared.
Maybe that gun isn't the greatest to use.
I go very big boom boom. If you don't. Ah, that got in. That's dumb. Up. No. He threw something. Wait, that's a friendly. Where'd they go? Oh. Oh. That one definitely hurt.
I got both of them.
What? Where did that one go? Where'd they go? Oh. Are they over there?
I don't know.
He's over there. He's somewhere. No, I'm just gonna run over there with C4 in my hand. One must. Allah Akbar! Oh. He's not over here.
Then where is he?
Where is he?
Is that something that we should be worried about?
Maybe. I don't know. Just to warn you, I have a live grenade in my hand. I was gonna run out there if you should. I mean, now I gotta go.
That
to
was
a ball. Where'd he go?
I'm so sorry. I'm still alive.
Well,
Help me. Thank you.
I accidentally stepped him. Oh,
I'm very sorry. Can you hear us over the intercom when he's dead?
they do know that I'm just gonna.
I
run
think he
over,
joined.
right? Alakba! Run. I don't know. Well, have a good day, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. And goodbye. Yes! No, it won't. Turn off.